What's going on, James here? And last night I did a quick presentation. Well, it was about a 2-hour presentation, but I cut out a bunch of the stuff to about 190 digital marketers, and probably by today, probably like 500 to 600 of them have watched it. And outside of the normal stuff that I talk about, I went on a little bit of a rant where digital marketers, whether you own an agency, you want to start an agency, you're looking for a side hustle business, you're looking for a way to get out of your 9 to 5. I've always said that this is the best business to start, build, run, and is your escape route to building a new life for yourself. And so I want to talk about what probably is one of the most controversial things in this business, which is what niche should I go after, or should I niche down, or should I not niche down? And so in addition to answering that question in this about 12-minute long rant and teaching that I did, I also talk about what the number one reason that people fail in building a business as a side hustle. And it's very important for a lot of people to watch. And heck, you could even get something out of it, even if you're not in this business, or if you're kind of looking to start a side business because you hate your job or whatever it might be. You want more money, you want more freedom, you want to be able to do the things that you want to do. And over the last 5 years, we have proven that starting a digital marketing agency is extremely profitable with, over 6,000 students that we have, and, dozens of millionaires created, hundreds of $100,000 a year businesses created just from our training. So what I'm hoping for is that you get something out of it, and you like it. If you end up liking it, like the video, let more people watch it. Give me a comment down below if you have any questions, and I'd be happy to hear it. So let's get started. Thanks a lot. So when you talk about niching, essentially this is a new person is here. This is like somewhat new. I'm using terrible terms. Not somewhat new. Anyway, and this is a specialist. Right? And so I would say this is like you come in, this is 0 to, let's say, 3 months. Right? If you're taking action and you're doing the work and you're learning. From here to here, I would say from here to here is about 0 to 8 months. And once you've been doing this business more than 8 months, here is probably 1 year. Okay, think about it like that. Here is clients or client niches. And so, you can have lawn care. You can have an HVAC client. You can have a plumber, right? You can have a tow company, a limo company, and whatever. Doesn't matter, right? You get the point. Electrician. And then you realize 3 months into this, right? You're like, lawn care, I hate you guys. Plumbers, you're the worst. Tow truck, you guys are too mean. Limos, I kind of like. Electricians are pretty good. And HVAC guys I like because they're big jobs, right? And so now you land, now instead of having all these different niches, maybe you have 2 HVAC guys, right? You have 2 limo companies, and you have 3 electricians. And now you're like, wow, I am crushing it in the HVAC niche. My clients love me. They're averaging $4,000 a job, and they're never going to get rid of me because they love me. Now I can go after the HVAC. Limos were cool, but screw them. Electricians, I don't care. And oh, damn it. Why does it do that? And now I'm like, you know what? I'm going to become a specialist for HVAC. I'm going to do their SEO. I'm going to do their rep management. I'm going to do their pay-per-click ads. I'm going to do their Facebook ads if it pertains, right? Rep management. I'm going to set them up on a CRM. I'm going to automate this whole damn thing.
And now I'm going to charge nothing less than $5,000 a month. Down here, 750, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, let's say 5. So let's say 7, let's say you were making 4,000, you know, in the first, 3 to 7 months, right? You're now charging more money for HVAC because you're getting them so much more results. And now when you become a specialist, you're like, I do digital marketing for HVAC companies. Thank you, Dan. New novice. That's it was there. I swear it was there. It was at the tip. And so, yeah, and so it's a natural occurrence, and everybody says niche down, but you don't know who you're going to like to work with. You take what you can get in the beginning, you go through it, it sucks, or no, that doesn't suck. And you find who you do the best job for. And when you and now you take your 2 HVAC companies, you get them on a freaking case study. So you have 2 clients, HVAC, they love you, all right? You do case study, you run a Facebook sponsored ad, running a case study here, sending them to a landing page. This is what we could do without doing this, right? You go through the heading, how we increase HVAC companies' bottom line by 30% or more without tech overwhelm, scamming marketing companies, and for little as $5, little as 5 hours a week, right? You get into the headings and how to sell that, right? And now you're selling only the HVAC. They opt in, you go through, and then you have email drips. I mean, guys, I could blow your mind with this stuff. I really could. Email drips. You bring them to a phone call, and you close them on a call at $5,000 a month. Make it sound easy. You know why? Because this is actually easy. This part is easy. This part, nobody's willing to go through to do this part. Right? This is the easiest freaking thing you could do. If somebody has, I'll give you guys right now. I'll tell you guys right now. Go through the first couple months of this business, fall, falter, waste time, lose a little bit of money, get yelled at by clients, don't fulfill, they fire you, you deal with it anyway, and you keep moving forward, and you get to a point where you get 2 tier 2, tier 3 clients. And if these 2 clients are happy and they are willing to give you a case study, you will never run out of clients again. And now I'm just making a mess out of this thing. You'll never, what the hell did I want to show you guys? You'll never run out of clients again because of the ability to run an ad with an opt-in that leads to a sales video, right? And this is exactly what Joe Zarate did for lawyers. It's exactly what Todd Taylor did for realtors. A Facebook ad to a niche specific result. They watch this 15-minute video. Hey, this lawyer, or this HVAC company increased revenue by 30%, increased revenue by 50%, got them 120 leads. They landed 40 jobs. I can do the same thing for you, HVAC company. All you got to do is click the button, send them to an application. From the application, they fill out on the calendar, and then you just call them at the time they chose. This is easy. Circle it again. Getting 2 happy clients, okay, it's not hard, but I'm going to put hard, right? I'm going to say hard because going to the gym is easy. This is easy. All you gotta do is get in the car and drive there. Doing it for 30 days consistently is hard. It's always the beginning that is the hardest. System like just like that as a financial coach. Yeah, the conversion was crazy when you have social proof. Yep. So I'm assuming as a financial coach, you are coaching financial planners. I don't know. But either way, guys, people they look at the end result. Okay, they say I want to make $10,000 a month, and they can't see past. They can't see past how to. They don't know how to get there, and that's why you're here. And so what I'm urging each and every one of you guys is don't worry about how am I going to land 5, 10 clients. Worry about how am I going to land one, and then worry about how am I going to land another one. And then once you land 1 or 2 or 3, go all in on those 3. And you may say, well, I'm worried because what if somebody fire? Like, yeah, it's okay. Like, it's okay because you've already lived your life to the point where you said yes to us on the phone, where you have a job. Okay. You already know that life, right? What's the big deal if you have to live that life for another 3 to 6 months so you can learn how to build a new life?
All right, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, make sure you like it and give me a comment down below and subscribe. Subscribe if you want more videos like this, and let me know how you feel about it. If it was useful, not useful, whatever your opinion is, I can handle it. Talk soon, and good luck on your journey.